What's going on, guys, and welcome back to day 3 of the Shopify challenge, where I attempt to take a brand new store from scratch to over $10,000 as quickly as possible. Now, in the previous 2 videos, I've covered how to create a high converting store and also how to find winning products. So now we're going to take those winning products and create really high converting video ads for those products. Now, a lot of dropshippers out there, this is where they go wrong. They don't create good or compelling ads. They just rush it, or they just copy somebody else's ad and just download it and then re-upload it for their ads. And essentially, they're not making themselves stand out from the competition. So in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how I create my video ads and the exact process going into my video ads software, creating the video ad from scratch, so you can see step by step how to do it. So without further ado, let's get into the content. Okay, so now that we have our winning products, so we found 2 winning products following the research methods that I outlined in the previous video of this case study. So now what we're going to do is create some amazing and compelling video ads for these products, because with dropshipping, this is one of the most important things, because dropshipping is quite saturated. So you need to make sure that your ads are better than all the other dropshippers out there, because no matter what you sell, I can guarantee there's a lot of other dropshippers who are also selling that exact same product. So you need to outperform them with your video ad and make your creative and everything much, much better. So what you want to do is go to Facebook and find footage of this product. So this product's like a sticky wall pad. So to find video footage of this product, what you want to do is go to Facebook and type in sticky wall pad across the top here, and then click on videos, and you should be able to find videos relating to this product. So you just want to go through and look for a video where you can see somebody using this product or demoing this product. So as we can see, there's a good one here. So you want to find video footage where there's no watermarks or logos on the video. You also want to make sure that the video showcases what the product does. So it shows that it's solving a problem and it shows the functionality of the product. And you also want to make sure that the product's clear, it's not like blurry, and you can clearly see what's going on. So this is a great example of a video. So what I'm going to do is copy the URL at the top here. Just click copy, and then you want to go to a website called downvids.net and essentially just paste the URL here, and then click download. And what you do is have that downloaded file now on your computer, and then you can upload it to your video editing software. I'm going to do some editing now. I'm going to take you step by step at how to create a really compelling video that will yield a really, really good click-through rate and therefore a good conversion rate. Okay, so I've just uploaded that video clip to my video editing software. Now, in this case study, I'm going to be using Camtasia. It's a great video editing software, especially for creating like dropshipping type video ads. It has everything that you need. So it's a great piece of software. I'm going to show you step by step how to create a compelling video. So what I do is just upload it here. Then I always add a bar across the top. So I go into annotations here, and then I just drag in a bar to put across the top. Want to make it a bit more narrow, and I'm going to delete the text here. And then once I've done that, I want to drag this across the entire video so it doesn't disappear halfway through or anything, so it's present the whole video. And then what I want to do is click this little ABC here and just drag this down here. And now I'm going to add in my first keyword or description of the product. So I just need to drag this ABC up here so it's on the bar at the top. And I'm also going to change the color of this, because obviously you don't want white text on white background. So I'm just going to change this to something which is congruent with the rest of my website. So my website contains quite a lot of blue, so I want to make sure that the text color is blue in this video, just so the customer has like a congruent experience from seeing your ad then visiting your store. It will increase conversion rate. Then what I do is I just drag the cursor here, and then just have a look at the video and see what's happening in the video. So as I can see, she's like bending the product. So I'm going to put something like flexible. Just make the text a bit smaller, because obviously that's a bit big. And then essentially what I want to do is just keep dragging through the video and look to see what's happening in the video, and then implement keywords here at the top throughout the video, which really describes what the product is and how it adds value. So what I'm going to do is just copy this here, click copy, and then I'm going to click paste. I'm going to click paste again. Paste again. Paste again. Then I'm going to copy all of them together, and then I'm going to click paste just to speed it up. And then click paste again, and then whack these at the end. End one a bit bigger. And then what I'm going to do is change each of these keywords in here, because obviously they all say flexible. Obviously we don't want that. We want to have a different keyword or a couple of keywords at each section down here. So as the video progresses, it changes the words. Because the biggest mistake you can make when creating a video ad is putting in too much text overlay, because 99% of customers won't read the text that much on videos, because they're just scrolling through their newsfeed. They're not there to read loads of different text, especially from an unknown source. So you just want to make it quick and snappy to the point, and this is the best way of doing that. So the first word will be flexible. Then if we just scroll along, then you can put something like super sticky. Next word, strong. Then just scroll across the next word, put in like durable, and just put something like use anywhere. And you just want to put keywords throughout the whole video which really describe what's going on in the video. Just put something like reusable, because it's showing that it's reusable. Okay, so once you've put in all your keywords describing what's going on in the video and describing the product, what you want to do is add in some transitions between them, just to make it look a bit more professional and eye-catching. So the one I like to use is slide right. So what I do is just drag this in between every thing down here, and it'll just add a little effect. It'll make it look a bit more professional. Okay, so if we just press play, you'll be able to see how it looks now at the top. As you can see, it's describing what the product is, it's adding keywords, it's really selling the product as the video progresses. Now this is all you need in terms of text. You don't want to overload it with too much text. You just want to keep it simple and to the point. And finally, what we're going to do now is add in some emoji GIFs up here, so at the right and the left of the video here. Just to make it stand out so you get a higher click-through rate. So what I do is I just go to Google and type in emoji GIF, then click images, and there should be loads of different GIFs. Okay, so I found the emoji that I want to use. Now what you want to do is just screen record the whole screen for the length that our video is going to last for. So as we can see, the video length of our video ad is 45 seconds. You want to screen record your screen for at least 45 seconds. And then save down the file. Then we're going to upload this GIF into our video file. Okay, so once you've screen recorded that, what you want to do is drag in your recording down here, and then you want to make sure it's the length of the video. And then as you can see, obviously we don't want all of this here because that looks silly. So what we want to do is just crop it down. So click this little thing here, and then we just want to crop it down so we only include the emoji bit. because that's what we want. And then what we want to do is right click copy, and then you just want to paste that so we've got two of them, and put them right over each other, and then drag them apart and we've got two. And then drag it up here and just make it a bit bigger. So you want to click there and just drag it so it's a bit bigger. And then do the same for this one, just so it looks symmetrical. Okay, so now if we hit play, what we'll have is a fully animated top bar on our video, and this will massively make it stand out. So if we just hit play here, you'll see this is like super eye-catching and will definitely increase your click-through rate. So you just want to make sure as you're going through, obviously, that each thing is done properly and fits nicely. Just like that, just make sure you check when you go through. So as you can see now, it's a super eye-catching video. We've got like an animated top bar with animated text and GIFs. So this will definitely stand out and make your ad look way more professional and eye-catching than all the other dropshippers out there. Okay, so now that I've finished actually creating the video, what I like to do is essentially amend the metadata of the video file and overload it with a keyword specifically relating to the product. Because I've heard that there's theories that Facebook algorithm analyzes the metadata of Facebook videos to understand what keywords are there and what the product actually is, and then uses that to serve your ad to more relevant people. So what I use is a program called iFlix, and what I do is just drag the video file into there. And what I essentially want to do is just overload all of the metadata with this keyword. So I'm just going to go in and copy and paste it into all of the boxes with this keyword throughout all of these boxes down here. And then once you've done that, you will have overloaded all the metadata with these keywords here. So when Facebook algorithm tries to understand what the product is and what the content is, it'll have a better idea and be able to serve your ad to more relevant people. So now I just need to click start here, and it's just adding all these tags to the video file. And then once it's processed, you just drag the video here and it should come up soon in your files. So now we've got two files here. We've got the original old file, which doesn't contain the optimized metadata tags, and then the new file which does. So this file here is the one we want to be uploading to our Facebook Ads Manager for the video ad creation, to help Facebook's algorithm understand what the product and what the content of the video actually is. So I'm going to delete the old one, and now we're ready to go and test this product with this video ad. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to apply these same strategies to the other products that we're going to test. And in the next episode of this case study, we're going to go ahead and actually launch the Facebook ads. We're going to test a bunch of different interests, launch the Facebook ads, and then we're going to see what the results are, and then look at which ad sets we can then go on and scale. And I'm hopefully going to scale this to over $10,000 per day if everything goes to plan. Okay, so let's recap on what we've done so far throughout this Shopify challenge. So day one, we created our general store. So the general store that we created on day one to test multiple products, because obviously in this case study, we're not just going to be testing and selling one product. We're going to be testing multiple products. So it's really important that we kept like a generalized store and domain name. We didn't confine ourselves to a specific niche right from the get-go. It's important that you keep your options broad and you explore different niches, different product types and categories until you find what works for you, and then transition over to a more specialized store. So in this case study, we started off with the general store, which you see me create in day one, and then on to day two. This is where we carried out a very strict and easy product research process, where we went into the Facebook ads library and essentially saved down and bookmarked really hot trending stores, and then we looked at what ads they were running and then identified which ads were the best ads, and from that we used that as a basis to find our winning products. And we found the sticky pad and the cement mold product So both of these products, they solve a problem, they serve a purpose, they're low risk products, so they're not likely to break in the post. And they also have good margins on the products, so they're super cheap off AliExpress, like a few dollars, and we can sell them for quite a decent margin. So we should be able to acquire customers with Facebook ads profitably, and that's what we're going to go on to soon. And then we took these products and then we've created in this video compelling video ads for these products. So rather than just like following a generalized way to create video ads, we've tried to make it unique so they stand out as much as possible, so we get a high click-through rate and therefore get more traffic to our store, and then in turn get more sales and add to carts and so forth. So this is what we've done the first 3 days of this case study or Shopify challenge so far, and I hope you've enjoyed the journey so far. And now we're going to get onto the even more fun stuff. So the next day / episodes, we're actually going to go into my ads manager, and we're going to set up and launch these products using the ads and products that we've just found, using the research methods and creating the video ads and so forth. So we're going to actually go ahead and test these products with Facebook ads. We're going to do a bunch of different interests, different ways to target, and obviously different campaigns for each product, and then we're going to see which products or which ad sets of those products work best, which interests we can scale, and then we're going to work from there and scale this store up to as high as possible, as quickly as possible. And you're going to watch the whole process. I've screen recorded everything, so we've got a lot to look forward to yet in this case study, so stay tuned. And if you like this video, be sure to leave a like and a comment down below, and if you're new here, remember to check out all the previous videos of this case study, and also subscribe, turn on notifications so you don't miss the future videos of this case study coming out, and I'll see you in the next video.